Hey, this is Lou Agave of Long Island Lou Tequila on Facebook and the web. Thanks for looking at my YouTube channel. This is an extended version of tequila in 90 seconds or less. It's the holidays. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. I want to spread the cheer in the form of education, mostly for you new guys that might not know some of this stuff. I have 3 or 4 things to talk about. Mixto, stay away from it. It can be called tequila because it has 51% of blue Weber agave. But the other 49% of the problem, there's sugars and sweeteners and colorings. That's what gave you the headache in college and why you didn't like tequila. Well, welcome back. So for the same price or less, you can buy 100% agave. Next, hydrolyzation, which is the cooking method of the agaves. It's important. You should know about this stuff. It's actually steam cooked. Most traditionalists like stone brick oven. It could be clay, it could be made with ceramic, but we call it stone brick most of the time. It's traditional. It gives you a bold, layered, old world cooking profile. Okay, so some of the best tequilas in the world are done this way. But I have no problem with the next way, autoclave. It's a stainless steel oven, okay? And it's like a pressure cooker if you look at it that way. It's great. I mean, it's the modern way of cooking. Mostly all the tequilas are made this way now. It could be done at high pressure or low pressure. Of course, low pressure is better, but unfortunately, most brands use high pressure. It's delicious. Some of the best brands that I love are made with an autoclave, okay? It gives you a sharper, cleaner, more sanitized taste, all right? Maybe not as bold as a traditional oven. The next method is horrible, diffuser, stay away. It's a huge, massive machine that takes baby unsweetened agaves and puts it on a conveyor belt, and with hot water it steams it and it oozes out the sugars. Okay, sometimes they even use chemicals in this procedure. It's just not traditional, not the way you should do it. Afterwards, sometimes they boil, which they call cook, the agave juice in an autoclave, a vertical autoclave. But sometimes they don't even do that. Then they ferment it, and then they put it in a distillation, which they use a column still, which goes on and on and on, and it just makes it flat like vodka. Okay, so it comes out minty and flat. It's just horrible procedure. You don't want you don't want diffuser products. There is another method. It's called earthen pit. That's usually done for mezcal. They cook their agaves in the ground, so it comes out smelling like, its presence of smoke and wood, and that's mostly for mezcal. So, that's the thing. Now, the next thing is this thing exploding on the scene called Cristalinos, okay? Now, Cristalinos to me is a gimmick. I'd stay away personally. To me, it's not traditional at all. It's taking a perfectly aged añejo or extra añejo, and it's filtering the hell out of it back to clear. So it takes the color away, but it's also taking flavors away, and don't let them tell you it's not. So it comes out really smooth and soft and easy to drink, very sweet. That's what they're selling it as. It's very popular in Mexico. You really want to stay away from that. What's the use? What's the reason for it? You want an añejo or an extra añejo? Buy one. So anyway, happy holidays. This is Lou Agave of Long Island Lou Tequila. Learn about your tequila research. Use Tequila Matchmaker, which tells you everything about it on my website, Long Island Lou Tequila, under the Learn section. Have a great holiday. Salud.